thanks for stopping by. It's me, Nikki, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button right there down below. Help your girl out and hit that notification bell as well so you can be notified every time I post a video. Saw this recipe we made a couple of weeks ago, and then a friend of mine told me a little twist on it, how she makes it, so I decided to try it her way, and it came out so delicious. You guys, stick around, you will not regret it. First things first, we have to start off with the marinade. Now I did make a mistake by not zesting all around the lemon before squeezing the juice out, but it's okay. I just ended up using another lemon. So go ahead and use one big lemon, get it squeezed into a bowl that you're gonna put all your marinade seasonings into. And then once you have everything squeezed, but like I said, I did it wrong, I should have zested first. But after I finish squeezing everything, I get my little zester, and then all around the lemon, I am just gonna get all that zest all around. We're gonna use everything around that lemon. And just put it into the bowl, and it smells so delicious when you're doing this. I mean, if you're a lemon lover, you are going to enjoy this. I wish my whole house smelled like this. So I'm just gonna do that, and then we're gonna move on to the orange that you see going on here. But I was having trouble, nothing was really coming off. The orange was soft, the other oranges were all the same, so I didn't get that zest from the orange, but it's okay. I just cut it in half, and then you're gonna use the juice from that big large orange, and you're just gonna squeeze it in there. Don't forget to take those seeds out that might have fallen from the lemon as well. So that's what we're gonna get to do. So if you get to use that orange zest, lucky you. I didn't get to do it, mine just wasn't working for me. And when you're done squeezing them, don't be so quick to throw those orange peels away. We're gonna add that to the recipe as well. 1 teaspoon of cumin, and instead of adding the fresh oregano, we're gonna do the mango habanero rub, and it's about, I would say, a good pinch. I didn't really measure, but I know she said a good pinch, so I just drizzled it in there. Pinch of salt, I just turned it twice and then added some pepper in there. Grab the extra virgin olive oil, and I'm gonna put 1/4 of a cup in. Give it a nice quick stir. Garlic cloves would have been better for this recipe, but I didn't have any on hand. I thought I did and I could not find them, so I'm just putting 2 tablespoons of minced garlic and giving it a quick stir. But if it was garlic cloves, it would have not been added to the marinade. It would have been added to the dish at the very end, right before putting it in the oven. Then I'm just going to chop up some cilantro, and it needs to be about 1/2 cup's worth of cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, this recipe may not work for you, because the cilantro is what really makes it pop. So I just chopped it up and gave it a good stir. And now time for the last step. You just want to put your chicken in there. Now dark meat is preferably better for this because it soaks up marinade even better, way better than what a chicken breast would do. So 2.5 pounds of chicken thighs or leg and thighs, mix it up, do whatever you want to do. Make sure you get it really soaked in there, and you want to have the chicken underneath that marinade really soaking in there. If you have a Ziploc bag, go ahead and do that, but I didn't have one, so I'm having to do this. And then I'm going to have it in there for 4 hours. It's recommended overnight, 6 hours to overnight. I just didn't have the time to do it, so 4 hours it is for me. Okay, it has been 6 hours, or 4 hours, I'm sorry, 4 hours, and I'm ready to put these in the oven. I'm going to space them out. The oven is now preheating at 425, and then the orange peels from earlier, I'm going to place them in there, and the chicken should be placed, the skin down. Alright, skin down. And then we're going to put this in the oven for about 45 minutes, and then we will see how it looks then. See in a bit? Let's see how those oranges look. Oh yeah, it is hot, hot, hot. Okay, this is fresh out the oven. I'm gonna finish making my lemon cilantro quinoa real quick. That's what I'm gonna make with this, and then I'll get a plate going. So So after you cook your quinoa, and I will have a video coming out on this because a lot of people, I used to do meal prep and this was the girls' favorite rice. Every time they wanted me to make this. Highly requested. And I've been meaning to make a video on how to make it. So I got my lemon juice freshly squeezed. There we go. So if you don't like cilantro, this is looking pretty gross to you right about now. Mix it all around. Smells so good. If you like cilantro and you like lemon, this is what you need in your life. All right. Got some quinoa. Grab a chicken here. Oh, smells so delicious. Let's get some of that cilantro on there. Put this on there just for some garnish, make it look real cute, you know, or weird. Alrighty. Maybe some black beans would have gone good here as well. Okay, this is a piece I'm gonna try because I don't want to mess this up for my thumbnail. And we're gonna go ahead and try this out. You want to try some, Helen? Helen's my little taster as well. We're a little shy about eating on camera, so that's why you never see us eat on camera. She took a bite. Maybe one day we'll ease up to it. Let me just take a bite.
Yeah, I like it.
Oh my god. Whoa, this is really good, guys. Hey. This was really good. And that's because I only marinated it 4 hours instead of the recommended overnight. Oh yeah. Yeah, I was about to give it to you. It tastes really good with that quinoa. Wow, it really does. This is good. What you think, that quinoa, huh? It really made it pop. You guys, this is a winner. My husband is going to love this. This is a winner. I'm gonna get off so we can eat this. It tastes really good. I wish you guys could smell what it smells like. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm about to enjoy it. Don't forget to smash that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so already, guys, and join us. And thank you guys. See you on the next one.